In this video, we will learn about constants in C++. The const keyword is used to specify a variable as a constant. If a variable is marked as constant, this essentially means that the value of the variable cannot be changed. For example, we can create a const int variable named x that we assign a value of 1. This tells the program that x is always going to have a value of 1, and its value will never change. If we attempt to set x to 3 and then run the code, notice that there is a compile time error. This is because we have used the const keyword when assigning x a value of 1, so we cannot change its value after that. Another error to watch out for when creating constant variables using C++ is if you create a constant variable, but don't assign it a value on the line where you create it. For example, let's create a const int y. If we run the code, notice that we get an error at compile time since we didn't assign y a value.